Wondering how you can make videos on Instagram to turn your followers into patients? Well, wonder no longer, because this video is really going to help you. My name is Dr. Desiree Yazdan, and I have used Instagram to grow my business, and I've helped so many other healthcare professionals do the same, and now I'm going to teach you as well. Now, if you're inside of my program, Grow with the Gram, then there's an entire lesson on how you can use video to grow your business. So make sure that you watch that fully, and if you need to, go back to it. But if you're not inside my program, this video is going to give you some really good tips and strategies. Now, of course, you could hire professional videographers to come into your office and create videos for you. But if you're just starting out or you don't have the budget for that, then I'm going to teach you how you could do it yourself. I actually make all my own videos that are on my Instagram page, and I encourage you to do the same, because hiring a videographer, although it's really good, it gets really expensive. So I'm going to teach you how you could do it. Before I get started, if you're trying to use social media to grow your business, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. So if you've been flirting with the idea of creating videos to showcase your business on Instagram or any social media platform, then stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step plan in place so that you can create videos for your business and turn your followers into actual patients in your office. I am literally giving you the same steps that I use from my own social media pages where I have turned my followers into patients. So step one is going to be to pick a procedure or a product that you're going to be promoting on social media. Once you decide what procedure or product or whatever it is that you're promoting, you'll have to decide how much of that procedure you want to use for a video. Do you want the video to go from start to finish? Do you want to show one specific part of the video? What is it that you're really trying to showcase? Get clear on that first, and then move to step two. Step two is going to be to create a shot list. List the portions of the procedure you want to include in your video. When you have an organized list like this, it makes it so easy so that you don't miss anything. The last thing you want to do is start recording and then go back later after you've already done the procedure and realize that you have missed so many steps in your recording process. So make a shot list so that you don't miss anything. Now, step number three is going to be pretty simple. It's to get your camera. I know that sounds obvious, but a lot of people think that they have to use a really high quality camera. Guess what? I use my iPhone, and so can you. I'm actually making this video that you're watching right now with my iPhone. The one thing I want to make sure that you don't miss, though, is I want you to get a tripod. You could get them on Amazon for really cheap, between $10 and $30, and those are all good enough to record your procedures or any videos that you want to make. The thing is, you want to make sure that the videos you're recording are not shaky, so make sure to invest in a tripod. Now, I want you to comment below with the word tripod if you have one, because if you don't, I want to be able to direct you to the right place to get one. Now, step number four is to get your footage together. You can use whatever editing software that works for you, but I like iMovie. iMovie is so user-friendly. I'm not very tech savvy, so using iMovie makes it really simple, and it lets you add a lot of effects. For example, I edit these YouTube videos in iMovie. Now, I'm not the best person at editing or making videos, but hey, you start with what you've got and where you're at, and you advance as you go along. So if you're stuck, try using iMovie to make your videos. Trust me, it's not as hard as you think it is. Step number five is going to be to add music and effects. When you add music to your videos, it helps your audience stay engaged and watch your video till the end. It's really simple to add music to your videos using iMovie, so just check it out and try it. The other thing is to make sure that you add some effects. Adding effects will also help your audience stay engaged with your videos. By adding effects, I mean something so simple like slowing down parts of your video or speeding parts of your video up. Play around with it and see what works best for you and what style you like the most. And that's it. Those are the basics to creating videos to use on Instagram to promote your business. After you've created your video, now you're ready to upload. Once you do this a few times, you'll really start to get the hang of it. I remember the first few videos I made, it took me a long time to edit them. But once you get the hang of it, it goes by really quickly and it becomes second nature to you. So get started now so that you can start using video on social media. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I can't wait to see what kind of videos you make for your business. Make sure to tag me on Instagram. It's at Dr. Yazdan. I'll link it in the notes in the description. And I want to see what kind of videos you're making using these very tips. And one more thing, if you've been working on using Instagram to grow your business, then make sure to download my Instagram guide for healthcare professionals. I'm putting it in the description right below this video. It's basically 30 captions that you can use to copy and paste whenever you're tired, or you can use the captions as templates or inspiration when you feel like creating your own. It also gives you a daily Instagram strategy so that you know exactly what to do when you get on Instagram each day and you're trying to promote your business on it. The link for the download is right below this video. Now, if you like this video, please let me know by liking it, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your fellow healthcare professionals. Make sure to comment below with the word helpful if this video was helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video.